Okay, I'm back. So here's the kicker with this. We talked about the instant variables. Those are variables that are attached to objects. Well, we have other variables. They're global variables. They're like attached to the game. And that would be score, right? We're going to keep score. So we need to make that as a global variable. All right, so we're going to right click at the bottom of the event sheet and add global variable. We're going to name it score. It's going to start as 0. And so you're going to see this kind of green thingy here. And then we're going to do what? We're going to, when it destroys the monster, right? When we kill the whole monster, we add a point to score. So click, right click, add a global variable, and remember lowercase. I prefer, you don't have to, but it's easier. Hit OK. So there it is, the global score. And then down here, we're going to add, what are we going to do? We're going to system, right? System add. And we're going to add, oh, did I do it wrong? I bet you I did it wrong. What do they want me to do? I gotta go check. System add 1 to score. I did it right. So I'm just not being patient enough. What did I not do? Add. Oh, that's rude. Hold on. Is it? It is system. Oh, did I need to save? Maybe I need to save. System. There we go. Add. And then, yeah, that's what I needed to do. I needed to save. So because it didn't know that it had any, hit that. Next. And 1. There we go. That's a good boo-boo to happen, right? Okay, and so that we're done right there. I'll be back in a minute.